Should you run a new washing machine empty first? If your brand new washing machine has just arrived, you might be tempted to throw some towels in to test your new gadget out. The truth is, while your new appliance may look glorious, lurking inside there might be some leftover product that was used during the manufacturing process. If this isn't flushed out from the off, you risk rubbing this dirt into your laundry. For this reason, it's recommended to run an empty cycle first when you install a new washing machine. As well as flushing out chemicals and dirt from the manufacturing process, running an empty wash also allows you to check that the machine is working properly. You can keep an eye out for loose parts, water dripping, and you can listen out for any funny noises. Check your machine's manual for specific instructions on how to run a first cycle. If it doesn't tell you exactly what to do, choose the hottest temperature on your washing machine and run a long cycle. If your washing machine has a cycle called something like maintenance, service wash, or clean cycle, use this. You don't need to add detergent or any kind of cleaning product because the hot water will eradicate the dirt for you. Once this cycle is finished, all the unwanted grime will be gone and you can start using the washing machine as you would usually. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry, washing machine and home care tips. Thanks for watching.